As we all know, Jennifer can monitor Java, PHP, and .NET-based applications. Recently, Jennifer released the first version supporting monitoring for the Python environment. This video will explain how to install the Jennifer Python agent. So, let's see the installation steps. For example, let's use this My School Python app, developed with the Django platform. Before Jennifer can monitor the app, we have to install the Jennifer Python agent after we install the Jennifer server first. To install the Jennifer server, please watch the Jennifer server installation video. The Python ecosystem has a well-organized package archive called PyPI. Therefore, the installation uses the pip command just like other Python packages. The first thing to do after installation is to create an INI configuration file containing connection information to the Jennifer data server. We can write the file manually, but we can easily create the basic INI file by using the Jennifer admin command installed together with the Jennifer Python package. After the jennifer.ini file is created, open the file using an editor and set the value of each field according to the following criteria. Fill the server address with the IP of the server where we installed the Jennifer server. For the server port, the default value is 5000. If a different port was used when installing the Jennifer server, fill in the server port with the same port that was used for the Jennifer server. Specify the domain ID for the app. By default, the domain ID value is 1000. If we previously had applications monitored by Jennifer and used the same domain ID, then the new application will be grouped in the same domain as the previous applications. Here, let's use 1001 for the domain ID. We can change the instance ID as we like within the integer 16 value range. But we must set a different instance ID for every application. We must create the jennifer.ini file for every Python application too. The log path shows the location of the log file created by Jennifer. After the configuration is complete, save the changes and close the file. The Python application program subject to monitoring through the corresponding INI file configuration must be executed by connecting to the Jennifer Python module. By setting the INI file path with environmental variables, we can run the Python web application program with the following command. After installing the agent, let's open the Jennifer client and log in. After logging into the System Admin dashboard screen, we must set up the domain. Click Domain Settings, then enter the domain ID as you filled in earlier when configuring the jennifer.ini file. Input the data server IP where you installed the Jennifer server. Fill in the data server port with the Jennifer server port. Give a name to make it easier when performing a search and distinguish it from the other domains. Save the changes and close it. Jennifer now detects the application shown by the instance ID. But before Jennifer can fully monitor the Python application, we need to input the license key. Go to the Setting menu and select License. Click the Add button, enter the license in the key field and save the changes. After the license is active, Jennifer will automatically monitor the Python application transactions or activities. Before we end this video, one last thing that we will show you is how to uninstall the Jennifer Python agent. We can also use the pip command as shown on the screen. Then, delete the jennifer.ini configuration file. The Jennifer Python is still in its early version. So, many functions in the existing Jennifer Java or .NET product are not yet available in the Jennifer Python. So, please be patient as we make many improvements continuously. Thanks for watching, and see you on the Jennifer online training upcoming videos. Bye.